Introducing the CEA antibody, a key tool in the detection and research of cancer biomarkers. Carcinoembryonic antigen, or CEA, is a glycoprotein involved in cell adhesion and typically found in elevated levels in certain types of cancer, particularly colorectal cancer. Our CEA antibody is designed to provide highly sensitive and specific results in applications like ELISA, Western blot, and immunohistochemistry. With high specificity and reliability, this antibody enables precise detection of CEA in various biological samples, making it an invaluable tool for cancer research. Whether you're studying cancer biomarkers, developing diagnostic tests, or conducting fundamental research, the CEA antibody offers consistent and reproducible results every time. Order the CEA antibody today and elevate your research with precision and confidence. Visit Gentaur.com to learn more and place your order. Trust Gentaur for all your scientific research needs.